Hello, and today I will show you how to use the /clone command. I will clone this little kitchen I just did here. We will take red wool. I will use this so it's easier for you to see where I'm cloning from. So I will clone from here, and it will be like this. We start here, or we can go up here. I want this also to be here. So if I were you, I will probably do something like this. We have one start point down here and end point up there. So everything from that point to this point will be in your clone. So everything like here and everything here will be inside where you're gonna put your clone. But now we look down in the ground. We want to copy all this. This is what we copy. We want to place it somewhere else. So we look down on the ground where we want to copy and /clone. We take the coordinates here. Then we go up here to this block where we want to from this to this. I press the up arrow so I get the latest command, and I take this new block here. So here we have two different coordinates. We have from that one to this one. And now we will go over here. Let's say I want to move this to here. This is the bare spot. So I take up this command again and I press space and I go down here. So this is from, and this last green here is 2. So I just press enter and you will see it. It's right here. It's the same. The flower pot still here. The player heads or the books, but it's player heads. Everything follows. So this is how I use it. I just did a very small showcase here. Hopefully you guys understand this good. If not, leave a comment down in the description. I will try to solve your problem if there was any problem. So you can do this on like a mass building or a mountain or something like that, but you can't move it like hundreds and thousands of blocks, but you can move it some chunks away. You can move it like from there to over there or maybe further away. Yeah, so that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I will happily answer them. Bye.